Hey everyone, friends! On the call in Valorant. Today I'll show you how to sync Epic Games with Steam. There are two sync options depending on what you need. You can open your browser here, click on Epic Games. Yeah, just type in Epic Games, go to the site, then log into your account. So now click on your account, click on account, and wait. So here, click on connected accounts, and where it says Steam, click connect, and then just log in through your Steam account. There, that's the first method. The second method is if you want to launch Epic Games from Steam. To do this, open Epic Games, click on your account, click on settings. Here, click download settings. Here you'll see your game download directory. Remember it and then open Steam. Here, go to your library. Or maybe skip the library, just click add game, add a non-Steam game, right? Now click the search button. Click search here. Then navigate to that path and select the game you need. And click open. There. Now click add to program. Done. After that, you can launch this game directly through Steam. Just find it and click play. That's it. Samble Valor. See you everyone.